If you've been following me for a while, you know that I'm a huge fan of Kyno, a piece of software that makes media management efficient and enjoyable. I've been using it for offloading, logging, transcoding, generating proxies, previewing the footage, etc. Less Pain Software, a company behind Kyno, just released a version 1.8, which has numerous improvements. But there are 3 updates that for me personally are the most exciting. The first one being support for Blackmagic RAW files. The second one, integration with DaVinci Resolve, and the third one, a new batch transcoding workflow. They also added Avid Media Composer integration and a bunch of small other improvements that I will link on my website. The link in the description if you want to find out more. Also, I managed to get an exclusive discount for my viewers, so by the end of the video I will tell you how to get 20% off any Kyno license. So let's cut to the most important updates, in my opinion, in this new release. Playback and transcoding for Blackmagic RAW files are now available for both Standard and Pro editions, which is great news. You can change a preview resolution if you're working on an older machine, apply a LUT, change playback speed, preview audio channels, and use all other features of Kyno's player. I actually have a full 3-part review of Kyno, so if you don't know this program, be sure to watch it next. We finally have the ability to send logged footage from Kyno to DaVinci Resolve. Just like with Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro, we select files that we are interested in, right-click and go to Send To option. Alternatively, we could use Ctrl+Shift+D shortcut. So here I have Blackmagic RAW clips with markers, subclips and tags that I have applied. I send them to Resolve and now we have all metadata in the working project. In the list view, I can see subclips that I can now just drag and drop on the timeline. I can also see other information like tags, descriptions, etc. Let's say I want to generate proxies for these files. But so it happens that I already created proxies for some of them. In the past, we would have to compare the 2 folders to find the ones that are missing, or we would have to end up with duplicated clips. But with new incremental transcoding, we don't have to. We select all source clips, choose a proxy preset, and we check skip items that already exist on target option. Now we can show a preview to make sure that it's working and start transcoding. Jobs are added to the queue and we don't have to worry about any duplicated clips in the destination folder. In this example, I just used it for a few clips, but imagine what a lifesaver it would be on a large project when you're constantly offloading footage and prepare it for editing. If we have a lot of clips in a location, we can tell Kyno to pre-analyze them for a smoother work down the road. We just hit Ctrl+A to select all clips and we choose Pre-Analyze from the context menu. A job has been created and all clips are being analyzed. Thumbnail extraction now uses multiple CPU cores, so it is significantly faster than it was before. Once again, a full list of updates can be found on my website, and if you're an Avid editor, a premium version has now this integration as well. Also, remember that you can download a free 30-day trial of Kyno before you decide if that's the right tool for you. Go to catchtothepoint.com/Kyno and try it for yourself. And if you do want to buy it, use a coupon code CTTP20 at checkout for 20% off any license. Just be aware that the coupon code will be valid for only 2 weeks after I publish this video. This is not a subscription, this is a one-time payment like in the old days, plus you get 1 year of free updates and 1 license lets you run it on 3 different computers. For full disclosure, if you use the link in the description to purchase it, I will get a small commission at no additional cost to you, and basically it helps me to run this channel. If you want to learn more about Kyno and what it can help you with, be sure to watch a full review of this software where I walk you through all important features. It was Piotr, until the next time, shoot and edit like there is no tomorrow. Which actually sounds a little bit weird in these circumstances that we have. Anyway, stay safe.